3,000 meters beneath the surface, where sunlight never reaches, lies a technological marvel, a sanctuary of science known as the incredible Abyssal Biofoundry Facility. This massive structure is the largest recycling facility on the planet, pulsing with life and energy amidst the silent, dark, and cold corridors of the deep sea. Thousands of autonomous drones navigate the ocean floor, their red laser sensors scanning ancient coral reefs and vast mounds of discarded oyster shells left for many centuries. The entire facility stretches out like a luminous metal city, surrounded by massive energy pipes and reaction towers that process the treasures hidden in the deep abyss. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, these tireless machines search every corner of the abyss to reclaim biological waste that would otherwise be forgotten by the world. With movements as precise as a surgeon, mechanical arms extending dozens of meters reach down to pick up the shells, preparing them for their incredible journey upwards. The smooth movement of these metal joints reflects the peak of modern engineering, designed to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep while performing delicate collection tasks. Each shell is carefully placed onto a magnetic conveyor belt, floating effortlessly in a stabilized field as it enters the glowing main gates of the processing center. This magnetic transport system ensures that the fragile biological materials are handled with the utmost care, preventing any damage before they reach the critical refinement stage here. Welcome to the Abyssal Biofoundry, a place where the discarded waste of the vast ocean is being awakened to become the most precious treasures of our future. Before processing begins, each shell undergoes a rigorous high-tech inspection where laser beams reveal the unique mineral composition and structural integrity of the calcium carbonate layers. Tiny robotic hands work tirelessly to scrub and purify every single shell, removing centuries of salt, sand, and debris to ensure only the purest minerals remain behind. The sorting process is entirely automated, categorizing the raw materials based on their density and chemical signature to prepare for the specialized ultrasonic treatments that follow next. Moving at high speeds through vacuum tubes, these shells are transported to the core of the factory where their physical form will be completely changed forever today. At the heart of the foundry lies the central crushing sphere, a majestic chamber of glass and steel that looks out into the infinite darkness of the sea. The heavy machinery here operates with a rhythm that mimics the heartbeat of the ocean, preparing to unleash immense energy on the materials gathered from the depths. In this stabilized environment, the shells are suspended in mid-air, ready to be dismantled at the molecular level by the most advanced technology humanity has ever built. Every parameter is precisely controlled through holographic interfaces, ensuring that the energy applied is exactly enough to break the shells without damaging their mineral essence at all. As the primary reactors roar to life, and the journey of transformation begins, turning the humble remains of sea life into the building blocks of a new era. Now, the shells enter a massive vacuum chamber, sealed away from the outside world, to undergo a process that defies the traditional laws of physical material crushing. As the internal environment stabilizes, warning lights transition to a deep red hue, signaling the start of the high-intensity ultrasonic phase that will soon follow. High-power ultrasonic waves are unleashed, creating ripples of energy that are physically visible as they strike the hard calcium structures with incredible force and precise frequency. Under the immense pressure of these sound waves, the toughest calcium bonds begin to fade, fracturing into millions of microscopic pieces that glow with stored kinetic energy. In a spectacular display of science, the solid shells are completely pulverized into a fine white cloud of dust, floating gracefully like snow in the weightless chamber. These mineral particles are now so fine that they catch the light like shimmering diamonds, dancing in a swirling vortex created by the controlled air currents inside. The entire room is filled with this radiant white mist, a pure concentration of ocean minerals that will form the backbone of our luxury biomarble material today. Advanced laser systems scan the cloud, instantly vaporizing any remaining impurities to ensure that only 100% pure calcium carbonate remains for the next stage of production. The purified mineral dust is then drawn into glass transport tubes, flowing like liquid silk toward the biological integration zone, where it will meet its new partner. Even at this microscopic level, the minerals display a natural order, reacting to static fields by forming beautiful geometric patterns that hint at the beauty to come. The dust crosses the threshold into the biomatrix chamber, leaving the world of pure physics to enter a realm where biology and minerals begin to merge. Here, massive vats are filled with specially cultivated bioluminescent algae, which secrete a unique organic resin that is both incredibly strong and environmentally friendly for us. This vibrant green bio-resin is carefully extracted through crystal tubes, glowing with a natural light that reflects its deep connection to the life of the ocean. When the white mineral dust meets the green resin, a stunning chemical dance begins, creating swirling patterns that look like a galaxy forming in a liquid jar. The two substances blend into a glowing blue-green mixture, resembling radioactive lava that pulses with an internal light, ready to be shaped into a solid form. Precision robotic mixers agitate the compound, using electromagnetic fields to ensure a perfect distribution of minerals throughout the biological matrix for maximum strength and durability. Soft, silk-like patterns emerge on the surface, moving gracefully under the influence of magnetic forces that align the mineral crystals into their most beautiful possible configurations. Every small bubble that rises to the surface releases a faint glow, a sign of the powerful chemical bonding occurring as the algae resin and calcium become one. The completed compound is now poured into large, transparent molds, where it will begin its final transformation into a solid slab of exquisite bio-marble material. As the mold fills, the glowing liquid levels out, creating a smooth surface that perfectly reflects the high-tech lights and the surrounding deep-sea laboratory environment around it. The liquid block now moves toward the high-pressure zone, passing through heavy blast doors into a chamber designed to recreate the crushing weight of the deep ocean. Massive hydraulic presses lock the mold in place, preparing to apply thousands of tons of pressure to compress the mixture into its final, indestructible crystalline structure. Under the immense weight, the liquid mixture begins to compress, its molecules being forced together until they reach a density that rivals the hardest natural stone on Earth. And the pressure gauges spin rapidly toward their limits, simulating the conditions of the ocean floor to age the material in minutes instead of millions of years. As the material hardens, the glowing veins become more defined, crystallizing into sharp patterns that look like frozen lightning trapped within a deep blue sea of stone. Targeted laser beams sweep across the surface, providing the precise thermal energy needed to trigger the final chemical reaction that will permanently bind the bio-resin and mineral. Clouds of steam rise as a cooling system stabilizes the temperature, locking in the crystalline structure and ensuring that the internal patterns remain perfectly preserved for eternity. The press finally releases its grip, lifting its heavy plates to reveal a breathtaking sight. A solid, glowing slab of biomarble, born from the depths of the abyss. Gentle robotic suction cups lift the finished slab, revealing a surface so smooth and reflective that it looks like a mirror crafted from the ocean's very soul. The slab then enters the polishing phase, where diamond-tipped heads buff the surface to a high-gloss finish, enhancing the natural brilliance of the bioluminescent minerals trapped inside. Close-up shots reveal the deep, translucent layers of the material, allowing the eye to see deep into the stone as if looking through the clear waters of the Caribbean. With surgical precision, high-power lasers cut the large slabs into smaller tiles and decorative pieces, ensuring every edge is perfectly sharp and every dimension is exactly right. The finished tiles are carefully stacked, each one protected by soft foam, and as they prepare for their final journey from the bottom of the sea to the surface. In the shipping bay, cargo submarines are loaded with these precious crates, ready to transport the finished bio-marble to the world's most exclusive architecture and design firms. As the submarine ascends, it carries with it a message of sustainability and beauty, showing that even the most humble waste can be turned into something truly extraordinary. From the dark abyss to the height of luxury, bio-marble finds its place in the world's most stunning homes, bringing the mystery of the ocean into our daily lives. The touch of the cold stone is a reminder of its origins, a material that feels solid and ancient, yet pulses with a modern, bioluminescent light that captivates everyone. In the most intimate spaces, the bio-marble creates an atmosphere of serenity and luxury, turning a simple bathroom into a spa-like retreat that feels both natural and high-tech. As night falls, the true magic of the material is revealed, as the internal veins glow softly in the dark, providing a gentle, natural light that is truly unique. A dining table made of this revolutionary material becomes the centerpiece of any home, reflecting the warm light of candles and creating a dining experience that is unforgettable. Its waterproof and durable nature makes it perfect for any application, where the beauty of the ocean minerals is matched by the performance of the most advanced bio-resins. Every detail is a testament to the quality of the Abyssal Biofoundry, where the transition from raw waste to finished masterpiece is handled with total and absolute perfection. And available in a wide range of colors and patterns, each piece of bio-marble is unique, ensuring that no two installations are ever the same in the entire world. Architects and designers around the globe are embracing this new material, seeing it as the ultimate blend of environmental responsibility and high-end, luxury aesthetic appeal for clients. In large-scale commercial projects, bio-marble creates a sense of awe and wonder, transforming public spaces into living galleries that showcase the incredible potential of sustainable material design. The logo of the foundry is a seal of quality, representing a commitment to cleaning our oceans while creating the most beautiful materials that have ever been seen. The transformation is complete. What was once seen as useless waste is now the crown jewel of modern architecture, and a perfect cycle of rebirth and incredible artistic innovation. As the sun rises over the ocean, we are reminded of the infinite potential that lies beneath the waves, waiting for us to discover and use it wisely. Deep below, the work of the Abyssal Biofoundry continues, a silent guardian of our oceans and a tireless creator of the sustainable luxury world of tomorrow morning. Bio-marble is more than just a material. It is a promise to the next generation that we can live in harmony with our planet and its vast oceans. Through innovation and respect for nature, we are redefining what luxury means, proving that the most beautiful things in the world are those that protect it. Join us in this journey of transformation. Together, we can turn the tide of waste and create a future that is as brilliant as the abyss. But from collection to crushing and mixing, every step of the process is a masterclass in technology and environmental stewardship designed to heal our world for everyone. Through pressure and precision, we forge a material that will last for generations, a timeless tribute to the power of human ingenuity and our planet's deep sea. The future of interior design is here, and it was born in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, ready to light up our modern world forever. Witness the precise moment where biology meets pure energy, as the solid shell yields to the relentless vibration of high-tech sound waves in the deep processing chamber. The dust is ionized, moving through a field of golden sparks that strip away any last impurities, leaving behind a powder so white it seems to glow internally. Sophisticated sensors are attached to every block, monitoring the internal crystallization process in real time to ensure that the structural strength meets our highest standards of quality. The molten resin flows with a heavy grace, filling the molds with a liquid light that will eventually become the solid foundation of our luxurious and unique furniture. Ultra-high pressure water jets, mixed with garnet abrasive, slice through the finished marble with ease, allowing for the creation of incredibly complex and beautiful architectural shapes and designs. Our quality control technicians use advanced scanning technology to inspect every square inch of the material, ensuring that the bioluminescence is perfectly distributed across the entire surface. The heart of our process is life itself, and as these specialized algae cells are nurtured to produce the strongest organic polymers ever discovered by modern science and technology. As the massive press ascends, the mechanical sounds of gears and chains echo through the chamber, marking the birth of a new piece of precious bio-marble stone. The final buffing stage brings out a deep, three-dimensional luster that makes the stone seem as though it is filled with the swirling mist of a distant galaxy. When the crates are finally opened, the radiance of the deep sea is released, stunning designers with a material that truly has no equal in the modern world. The natural, chaotic beauty of the stone's patterns serves as a constant source of inspiration for architects, driving them to create spaces that are more organic and alive. Water and light dance together on the surface of these custom sinks, creating a sensory experience that brings the calming essence of the ocean into every luxury home. The material is so advanced, it can even host integrated technology, allowing for touchscreens and sensors to be built directly into the countertops for a seamless, futuristic look. In outdoor applications, the stone's natural glow provides a sustainable lighting solution, guiding footsteps with a soft, ethereal light that requires no electricity to function at all. The elegance of the material enhances every environment, reflecting the style and sophistication of those who choose to surround themselves with the best that nature can offer. As we look to the horizon, we see a world where beauty and sustainability are no longer in conflict, thanks to the revolutionary work being done deep below. Every single grain of dust tells a story of transformation, a journey from a discarded shell to a glowing piece of art that will be cherished for decades. Walking through the biomatrix chambers feels like entering a futuristic forest, where the oxygen and resin needed for our materials are produced in a perfect ecological loop. The air itself is charged with the potential of creation, as we open the doors to the next phase of our journey in the Abyssal Biofoundry facility today. From above, the complexity of the operation is truly revealed, showing how hundreds of specialized systems work in harmony to produce the world's most beautiful, sustainable material. In the testing lab, our marble proves its strength, and withstanding extreme weights and impacts that would easily shatter traditional natural stones like granite or common marble slabs. The docking hub is always busy, with drones returning from the seabed and cargo subs leaving for the surface, maintaining the constant flow of recycling and creation for us. The deeper you look into the stone, the more beauty you find, with tiny details that resemble the stars and nebulae of our universe, frozen in solid form. Architectural dreams become reality as our material is used to create structures that seem to defy gravity, glowing with an inner light that welcomes guests into the future. Each design is a collaboration between man and nature, using the unique properties of bio-marble to push the boundaries of what is possible in modern furniture and art. The faint glow from the depths is a reminder of the life and innovation that continues beneath the surface, working to create a more beautiful and sustainable world. The final mark of quality is placed on each piece, a symbol of the hard work and advanced technology that went into creating this incredible bio-marble masterpiece. Day by day, our vision for a more sustainable future takes shape in the world's most prestigious buildings, one glowing slab of recycled ocean waste at a time. Maintenance is effortless, as the smooth, non-porous surface of the material resists stains and scratches, keeping its brilliant luster and glow for many years to come. In the cities of the future, our material will not just be inside our homes, but will define the very look and feel of the urban landscape itself. We monitor the health of the ocean as closely as we monitor our production, ensuring that our presence in the abyss is always positive and protective of life. The dust of the past becomes the stone of the future, a cycle of recycling that honors the history of our planet while providing for its future needs. Even the smallest fragments are precious, finding their way into high-end fashion and jewelry that allows people to carry a piece of the ocean's mystery with them. Our process leaves the ocean floor cleaner and healthier, removing thick layers of waste to make room for new life and vibrant coral reefs to grow and flourish. The journey of the stone continues on land, as it is transported with care to the craftsmen and builders who will turn it into something truly magnificent for us. The beauty of the ocean is our constant inspiration, and a reminder of the incredible resources we have been given and the responsibility we have to use them wisely. Biomarble is the peak of material science, a symbol of hope and innovation that shows what is possible when we work with nature instead of against it today. From the deepest abyss to the edge of space, our planet is full of wonder, and we are proud to be part of the journey toward a brighter future. Abyssal Biofoundry, redefining luxury, protecting our oceans, and building a more beautiful and sustainable world for everyone, one shell at a time. Thank you for watching.